Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Password Piggy Bank and creating your master account now. Create a strong master password, 12 or more characters, mix letters, numbers, symbols, because this unlocks everything. Once done, enable two-factor authentication. Pick an authenticator app or SMS as backup. Make sure to record the recovery seed phrase or recovery email immediately and store it offline. You'll need this if you lose access. These steps secure the vault so you can add and manage passwords safely. Next, you add logins and organize them. Start by importing saved passwords or create entries manually for each site. Use folders or tags to group work versus personal accounts and add notes for security questions or account ID. Generate a new strong password for each entry, aim for 16 or more characters, and include symbols so you avoid reuse. Once entries exist, set optional expiration reminders and enable autofill in your browser to streamline signing in across devices. Finally, sync and back up your vault so your passwords follow you. Enable Cloud Sync if you want cross-device access, or choose local only for extra control. Export an encrypted backup periodically and store it on an external drive or secure USB. Once done, test autofill and vault access on another device to confirm synchronization. If you get locked out, use the recovery seed phrase or recovery email immediately and contact support only after confirming those options. This fixes most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.